Introduction. Hello everybody, it is nice to meet you again in wonderful moment when you back to school. Let's start with new topic. Cause and effect. In this topic you will learn the concept of cause and effect. Let's discuss some kind of conjunctions such as coordinating conjunction, subordinating conjunction, conjunctive adverb and prepositions conjunction. First you will identify them in mind map, then we go to the second step. What do you know about cause and effect? It will follow with some exercises and then we move to check your understanding about cause and effect. You will choose one of the best option given especially in applying concept of cause and effect. Then we go to guided assignment. You will analyzes the sentence which is belongs to cause or effect. Finally you will show off your creativity through your composition. Use cause and effect concept. Mind map. Cause and effect divided into 4 conjunction group. A. Coordinating conjunction. B. Subordinating conjunction. C. Conjunctive adverbs. D. Prepositions. Coordinating conjunction consists of 1 for, 2 so. Subordinating conjunction consists of because, 3 as, 4 since. Conjunctive adverbs consists of 5. Therefore, 6 consequently, 7 hence. Prepositions conjunction consists of due to, 8. Because of. Coordinating conjunctions consist of 2 independent clauses. Subordinating conjunction 9. Consist of 1 independent clause and 1, or more, dependent clause. Conjunctive adverbs join 2 independent clauses. Prepositions use compound prepositions. Example of coordinating conjunction in the text is 10. We buy milk from the farmer for they offer reasonable prices. Example of subordinating conjunctions in the text is I have to see the dentist because I cracked my front tooth. Example of conjunctive adverb in the text is 11. It is rainy seasons now. Therefore, I always bring an umbrella wherever I go. Example of prepositions in the text is 12. I like his blouse due to its unique pattern. What do you know? 1. Explain the definition and structures of the questions. A. What are linking words? Linking words are words that connect ideas together in a piece of writing. It shows that 2 things are related in some way, or that the point you are making has supporting information. B. What is a coordinating conjunction? A coordinating conjunction is a word that joins 2 elements of equal grammatical rank and syntactic importance. They can join 2 verbs, 2 nouns, 2 adjectives, 2 phrases, or 2 independent clauses. C. What is a subordinating conjunction? A subordinating conjunction is a connecting word or phrase that introduces a dependent clause and joins it to a main clause or independent clause. D. What are conjunctive adverbs? A conjunctive adverb connects 2 independent clauses or sentences. Typically, adverbs modify other words, verbs, adjectives and other adverbs. Conjunctive adverbs, however, are used to modify 2 independent clauses and join them together, behaving more like coordinating conjunctions. E. What are compound prepositions? Compound prepositions are established by connecting the preposition words in a sentence before the noun, pronoun, adjective, and adverb. What do you know? To discuss the difference between the following linking words and write sentences for each word. A. Because and because of. Because follow sentence. Because the rain fell all day long, the flood attacked the city. Because of follow noun. Because of all day long raining, the flood attacked the city. B. So and therefore. So is informal whereas therefore is formal. I couldn't wake up on time, so I got late. I couldn't wake up on time, therefore, I got late. C. For and since. I've been traveling for 3 years. I've been traveling since 2022. The preposition for to talk about an amount of time or space. The amount of time could be seconds, minutes, hours, days, months, or even years. Since to refer to a point of time, it can refer to a particular point beginning sometime in the past and continuing until the present time. D as and consequently. As the storm attacked the city, the domestic flight cancelled. The severe storm attacked the city, consequently some domestic flights were cancelled. What do you know? 3. Complete the sentences with correct linking words. 1. We have to wear jackets because the weather is cold now. 2. The student cannot see the whiteboard clearly because of his poor eyesight. 3. I forgot to do my homework, so I have to see Mr. Tony at the teacher's room. 4. My family and I love to stay at this hotel due to the wonderful views. 5. Since they want to compete in national competition, they practice hard every day. 6. I am allergic to seafood. Consequently, I cannot join my friends to eat a seafood restaurant. 7. She feels hungry now as she skipped lunch. 8. Dino has studied hard for several weeks. As a result, he can solve the math problems easily. 9. English is an international language that is used in many countries. Therefore my friends and I study the language diligently. 10. Because of severe earthquakes, many buildings were destroyed. Check your understanding. Circle the correct answers. 1. The sun is shining brightly today, I am wearing my sunglasses to go outside. A. Because. B. Since. C. Therefore. D. Due to. E. As. The answer is C. Therefore. 2. A flash flood hit my neighborhood yesterday, my family and I are staying at a shelter now. A. For. B. Since. C. Because. D. Therefore. E. As a result. The answer is E. As a result. 3. She came to school late, the traffic was terrible. A. Consequently. B. As a result. C. Therefore. D. Because. E. Due to. The answer is D. Because. 4. The rain did not stop. They cancelled their plan to go fishing. A. As. B. Thus. C. Due to. D. So that. E. Therefore. The answer is A. As. 5. He goes home early, he will not miss the football match on TV. A. As. B. Thus. C. Because. D. So that. E. Therefore. The answer is D. So that. Check your understanding. 6. Some people suffer acrophobia, they avoid going anywhere by plane. A. As a result. B. Because. C. Since. D. For. E. As. The answer is A. As a result. 7. The concert is cancelled, the COVID-19 pandemic. A. As. B. Since. C. Due to. D. Because. E. Therefore. The answer is C. Due to. 8. The accident happened, human error. A. As. B. Since. C. Hence. D. Therefore. E. Because of. The answer is E. Because of. 9. The summer holiday is coming, high demand, the train tickets are sold out now. A. So. B. As. C. Since. D. Due to. E. Because. The answer is A. So. 10. I bought these apples. The seller offered me a good price. A. As. B. Thus. C. Due to. D. As result. E. Therefore. The answer is A. As. Check your understanding. 11. Read the following dialogue. Yuli, where is Vina? I haven't seen her. Anna, she suffers a terrible headache since yesterday, she is absent from school. A. Hence. B. So that. C. Because. D. Therefore. E. As a consequence. The answer is B. So that. 12. Read the following dialogue. Andy, why don't you play football with your friends? Ryan, it is raining now, we have to cancel our plan. The correct answer to fill in the blank is A. As. B. So. C. Due to. D. Because of. E. Consequently. The answer is B. So. 13. Read the following dialogue. Tara, how's the test? James, it was really difficult, I didn't get a good score. The correct answer to fill in the blank is A4. B. So that. C. Because. D. As long as. E. As a result. The answer is B. So that. Check your understanding. The following text is for questions 14 and 15. The weather was very bad yesterday. 14. Gina and Risa could not go to the amusement park. They stayed at home and watched movies. 15. They could still enjoy their holiday. 14. A. As. B. For. C. Due to. D. Owning to. E. Consequently. The answer is E. Consequently. 15. A. For this reason. B. Owing to. C. So that. D. Due to. E. Hence. The answer is C. So that. Guided assignments. Read the text and find out the cause and effect relationship in the text. When I was in elementary and junior high school, I was an outgoing kid who had lots of friends. My friends were really kind and never treated other people badly. However, I moved to a different city during my senior high school. Many students in my new senior high school did not want to befriend me because they thought I was unattractive. As a result, I didn't have friends during my high school time. As I never used the latest gadgets, my students often laughed at me. They thought I was too poor to be their friends. Moreover, many of them also often spread rumors about me. Consequently, many students often thought I was a bad student who often cheated during exams. I was really stressed during my senior high school. Luckily, my teachers were really kind to me. One of them, Mrs. Rena, often helped me to survive the bullying. Because of her help and her kindness, I was able to survive my high school. Cause. When I was elementary and junior high school, I had lots of friends. When I was senior high school, I didn't have friends. Effect. I never treated other people badly. I was too poor to be their friends. 2. Based on the text on number 1, write down the connectors of cause and effect relationship used in the text and make one sentence for each connector. A. When I was a child I feel so happy as my dad supported me. B. Because I was an orphan child in my dormitory, I never saw my dad and mom. C. As a result I felt so sad and unhappy when met my friends who always company with their parents. D. As I know the life must go on, I find something in myself that other child don't get it. E. Consequently I can enjoy my life with struggle in all my life and it makes me proud that I can do my best. F. Because of book that I read I know all about how life is. Guided assignments. 3. Fill in the blank with linking words of cause and effect relationship. Do not use the same words for each blank. Last weekend my sister and I went to a beach near Grandma's house. We went there on foot. 1. For it only takes 10 minutes from our grandma's house. 2. As it was school holidays, there were many visitors there. We could see groups of teenagers swimming, some children playing in the sand, and some adults playing volleyball. We decided to go walking around the beach first. We wore sunglasses and large sun hats. 3. Because the weather was really hot. We also bought ice cream. My sister chose vanilla. 4. Therefore she does not like chocolate. When we walked there, we met our childhood friend, Ruri. We were really happy. 5. Since it was our first time we had met her for years. Finally, we walked together while strolling around the beach. Show off your creativity. Write a paragraph about cause and effect relationship, based on the picture provided. Do not forget to use linking words that show cause and effect relationship. Cause. Because. Due to. unless, led to, for this reason, effect, therefore, as a result, finally, in order to, consequently. You can start with, because English is the international language, as a result we should learn it. Thank you for watching. This exercise for students grade 11 who discuss about cause and effect. It develops to give alternative in learning English, especially in spoken and written. Hopefully, it is short task for you to understand English.